In 1995, Ma'am came to visit me at the Abbey in Tuscany. I picked her up at about an hour's distance, and she came and stayed with us. And she asked, after hearing a conversation, what the word Oggi meant. I said it meant heddiw, today, and wrote this afterwards. Tomorrow never was, and never came across the patient skies, nor shall this day, or hour, or moment ever have a name yond this that bids it be and holds its sway within the dangled aeons that are not or ever were, save in a twinkle missed by all that e'er it sought, for but a spot held all that shall through gyral orbs have hissed. O little dot, the plot of all the earth, the house of humankind, the common place not treasured, for not measured for its worth. Twin tap and tiny tapping is there space for all our morrows long, or is today a hollow that tomorrow goes its way?